Okay, so we got a lot of snow, as you can see, and I don't know what's going for a walk with Stardust in the snow. We're at a park. Look how pretty that the trees are. It sure is pretty. I was gonna check out to see there's an ice rink, but I think that it's covered. We're just gonna go and check it out. They had we'll see if they cleared the snow off or not. They might had. I do see some people down there. I do have skates, and I was thinking of coming here to do some ice skating. The sun came out. Oops, I can see my thumb in there. Oops. Okay. Yeah, the sun came out. I don't think they it looks, we'll see if they have shoveled or not. Yeah, we got hit. We got a lot of snow here. Looks like they're trying, yeah. We're gonna, and it's all getting in my boot. Look at how, okay. This is me, and we are ice skating. You see, you can see us. Look at us, we're right in the sun. Me, outside, we're ice skating right now. That's, you can see. Now, nobody else is on this, it was snowed and they cleared it off, so, but yeah, we're enjoying ourselves. Let's see, yeah, we're enjoying ourselves. Ooh, it's icy, so you have to be careful. So here's the ice rink. They cleared it off already. I just talked to the man in charge. And there's another ice rink back there. They didn't get to, so there's another, so they did clear off this ice rink here already. So I'm with Stardust. Nobody is skating quite yet though. But this is a nice day to do it. They said they didn't get that other ice rink cleared off. Are you skating? Are you skating? I mean, they did a nice job on it. I think I am gonna bring my skates. I'm gonna tell a friend, and I think we're gonna go skating. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, look at Stardust. What are you doing? Stardust. Oh, it's Stardust. What were you doing? You think that's fun? What are you doing, Stardust? Stardust. Stardust doesn't know what to think. Stardust never been ice skating before. Ooh. She kind of likes it. I don't know, she's thinking it's interesting. She's kind of pushing me along. Do you want your own pair of ice skates, Stardust? I don't know if she realizes. Yeah, we're going ice skating. It's fun. So this is the hockey part of it. Ooh, it's kind of slippery. Be careful. Well,